gonna slow down. I'm here. I'm gonna do something to wake up your body in just a few minutes and get ready for new week. Okay, let's do it. Let's wake up your body gently. Stand in mountain pose. Relax your shoulders. And let's go to bring your hands up to the sky. Inhale as you bring them back next to your body. Exhale. Let's wake up your body step by step. Now it's time to bring your body at this moment by gently tapping on your forehead and chest. And make a soft sound of ah to release all the tension and get ready for the week. Okay. And hug knee toward chest. Engage core. Stand tall. Keep your focus. If you wanna keep your balance, focus at one certain point. Do not forget to breathe. Breathe slowly. And down. Open your feet wide. Interlace fingers behind back of your foot. Inhale, open chest. Exhale, fall forward. Relax neck and back to center. Coming to lunge pose. Stretch one leg back. Bring your hands up to the sky. And then grab your leg. Hold it. And breathe. Keep chest open. Let's finish this side and then we're gonna move to the other side. Let's go to the pigeon pose. Keep hips supported. Stay long through the spine. Relax shoulder. Never force a stretch. Remember that. If that feels comfortable, bring your chest toward the mat. Now, let's back to the center. Back to the standing pose to switch the side and repeating the same process for the other side. This time, right knee forward, the left knee stretch back, and then grab your left leg with your hands, as you can see in the video, and open your chest. Do not force the stretch. Coming to pigeon pose again for the other side. You can use a blanket under your hip to support. Listen to your body, find your balance here, and slow, steady breathing. Coming to downward facing dog. Coming to chair pose. Hand to heart center. and twist from the rib cage. Right side, back to center, and left side. Keep knees aligned, keep breathing. Back to center, switch the side. Remember to wade into heels, chest lifted, engage your core at this asana, relax your neck. Now back to downward facing dog, hips back and up, pedal your feet. Then come into plank, body in one straight line, engage your core, keep breathing. And when you're ready, lower onto belly to go to Cobra Pose. Hands on the shoulders. Inhale, lift chest. And exhale, lower slightly or hold it. Elbow close, shoulders away from the ears. Lift your chest as much as you can. And keep your neck long. Coming to tabletop. Come onto hands and knees. And stretch your right leg up and then out. Let's switch the side, the other leg. Hold it for a few seconds and then to the out. Be here, keep breathing, and going to child pose, knees wide. If that feels comfortable, hips back, forehead down. Relax completely, just be here. Soften your shoulders, slow your breathing. You're going to be ready for the new week. Your body is ready now. Take this energy into your rest of your day. Let's bring breathing back to normal, natural breathing. Slow it. Keep breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Just to have this energy into the rest of your day. Keep breathing with your right nostril. Hold it for a few seconds if that's okay. Chin toward your chest and then release it. Repeat this process for 3 times. And thank you for practicing with me. I hope your body feels lighter, more open and refreshed. Thank you. Wow, I'm ready for the new week. I hope you are too. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.